Maximizing your money. Investment tips for the Australian dollar. We see a panoramic shot of the Australian outback, with the sun setting in the distance. The music is upbeat and motivational. Welcome to our video on maximizing your money with investment tips for the Australian dollar. Investing your money can be a smart way to build wealth over time, and the Australian dollar is a popular currency to invest in because of its stability and growth potential. We see a shot of a bustling city, with people going about their daily lives. However, investing can be intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. That's why we've put together some investment tips to help you make the most of your money. One way to invest in the Australian dollar is through a managed fund. This is where your money is managed by a professional fund manager who invests in a range of different assets, like shares, property, and bonds. When choosing a managed fund, it's important to consider the fund's performance history, fees, and the types of assets they invest in. Doing your research and finding the right managed fund that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance can help you make your money work harder for you. Another option for investing in the Australian dollar is through a term deposit. A term deposit is where you deposit a fixed amount of money for a set period of time, and in return, you receive a fixed interest rate. The benefit of a term deposit is that it's low risk, and you know exactly how much you'll earn in interest. If you're comfortable with taking on more risk, investing in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, could be a good option. Investing in individual stocks requires more research and analysis, but the potential for higher returns can be worth it. No matter what investment option you choose, it's important to have a clear investment plan and to stick to it. Make a schedule for when you'll check your investments and make adjustments if necessary, but also don't panic if the market fluctuates. Investing in the Australian dollar can help you build wealth over time and secure your financial future. By following these investment tips, you'll be on your way to maximizing your money and achieving your financial goals.